Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right, but your fat loss just refuses to move? You cut down the sugar, you eat meals on time, you avoid junk, you go to the gym, you walk, and you stay disciplined. And still, every morning you wake up, look at yourself, and think, why is nothing changing? You know what's even more frustrating? When your energy stays low, your craving stays high, and the same belly fat stares at you every single day. And even though you are trying so hard, the results simply don't match the effort. I have coached hundreds of busy professionals, and this is the exact point where most people start doubting themselves. Maybe my metabolism is broken. Maybe my hormones are the problem. Maybe my age is slowing me down. And honestly, these thoughts are valid because sometimes, even when you do everything right, there is a small gap inside your metabolism that holds you back. And most people don't even know this gap exists. Let me explain this with a real story. I was working with a 37-year-old government officer, very disciplined guy, pure vegetarian. He followed everything I gave him. Steps, workouts, protein, routines, sleep, all of it. But every week he told me the same thing. Coach, I'm doing everything right, but the fat is not moving. His energy was crashing by afternoon. He couldn't push in his workouts, and even though his diet was clean, his progress was painfully low. One day, he told me, I think I'm missing something. Maybe because I'm a vegetarian, my body isn't getting something it needs. And that was exactly the case. Vegetarians naturally get very little of a specific compound, something the body can make, but often not in optimal amounts. And this compound has a direct role in how efficiently your body transports fat into your cells so it can be burned for energy. So I asked him to start taking a simple supplement, but in the correct dose, at the correct time, and consistently for a few weeks. I told him, don't expect magic, just follow this properly. And within a few weeks, his energy improved, his recovery improved, and for the first time in months, the scale finally started moving. His belly started shrinking, not because of any fat loss burning pill, but because we fixed one small metabolic step that was slowing him down. And this is where I reveal the supplement almost everyone loves to hate, L-carnitine. Now, before you roll your eyes, listen carefully. You have probably heard celebrities saying it's useless, influencers saying it's a scam, coaches making fun of it, and honestly, if you take it the way most people take it, they are right. It will feel useless. But not because the supplement doesn't work, but because 90% of people take it completely wrong. Here's the truth. L-carnitine does not melt fat, it does not replace a calorie deficit, and it does not give you visible results in 2 weeks. What it actually does is support the fat burning process by improving the transport of fat into the mitochondria, the place where your body actually burns fat for energy. If that transport is weak, your fat loss slows down, and vegetarians especially have lower levels of this compound. Now the question is, does research support this? Let's break it down simply. Large-scale human studies actually show small but real benefits. A meta-analysis of 43 clinical trials found that people lost around 1 to 1.5 kilos more when they used L-carnitine along with lifestyle changes compared to placebo. Another analysis of 37 trials found that around 2 grams per day seems to be the most effective dosage for fat loss and metabolic support, not the tiny 500 mg capsule most people take. But here is where it gets even more interesting. A massive 2024 meta-analysis looked at around 2,900 people struggling with blood sugar and insulin resistance. And in that group, L-carnitine lowered fasting blood sugar, reduced HbA1c, improved insulin resistance, lowered triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, and even reduced inflammation markers like CRP and TNF alpha. That's huge because these are the exact issues most busy professionals experience once they cross 35 or 40. When it comes to recovery, multiple studies show that L-carnitine reduces muscle soreness, reduces exercise-induced muscle damage, and improves blood flow to muscle tissues, so you recover faster and perform better during workouts. This is why many people say they feel lighter or more energetic after a few weeks. And one more thing almost no one talks about. L-carnitine has been studied in heart patients too. A meta-analysis involving 3,629 people who had just suffered heart attacks showed a 27% reduction in mortality when L-carnitine was used under medical supervision, along with a 65% reduction in dangerous arrhythmia. This does not mean you should self-medicate. This is clinical territory, but it does show that this compound is not a useless gym supplement. It's a molecule deeply involved in how your cells make energy. So the big question becomes, why do most people say it doesn't work? Because they take it the completely wrong way. Most people take one small capsule, 500 mg, when most trials used 2 to 3 grams per day for proper results. Most people take it on an empty stomach when research shows it absorbs much better with carbs or a meal because insulin help transport it into the muscle cells. Most people take it for 2 weeks and expect results when studies lasted 8 to 24 weeks. And most importantly, most people don't fix their protein, their steps, their sleep, or their workouts. Of course, it won't work if you don't fix the basics. If you want to take it correctly, here is what aligns with research. Around 2 grams per day split into morning and pre-workout doses taken with a meal or carbs consistently for 8 to 12 weeks. If your goal is fat loss or insulin improvement, 2 to 3 grams is the range most studies used. And if you are a vegetarian, even 1 to 2 grams is enough because your baseline stores are lower. But remember, L-carnitine is not magic. It is not a shortcut. It is a support system, not the hero of your transformation. It works best for people who are over 40, vegetarian, insulin resistant, low energy, or struggling with belly fat despite doing everything right. If your structure is broken, no supplement will save you. But if your basics are strong, clean food, sleep, steps, workouts, this can be a helpful addition. And if you are someone who is a busy professional over 40 and you feel like your body needs structure, clarity, and the right guidance, then I can help you. I have built a complete 12-week program designed specially for professionals like you, people who want to lose belly fat, improve their metabolism, and feel energetic again without extreme diets or insane workouts. If you want personal guidance, click the link in the description and watch my short video training on exactly how this program works. It might be the thing your body has been missing. I'll be seeing you in the next video.